Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well from wherever you are. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix. I'm back here today with one more beautiful chrome style text effect from Hyperpix Text Effects Collections. So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your text or logo into this fantastic style, like always, just with one click. As you see, it's so realistic. The details are excellent as you check out the result. Just see how beautiful it is and check out the details. So for the first time, it's designed by our designers for Photoshop, which is designed in separate layers. You can edit every layer separately and turn into this chrome style. To download, just go to hyperpix.net, join the VIP account. You can check out our styles there. It's once for a lifetime. Just join the VIP membership and access this style and hundreds of different styles and use them in all different projects. Commercial, personal, doesn't make any difference. So let's get started with editing this attractive style. Just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window which appears here, we do the same one more time. Edit content. Here we go. So we get to this window which we have these two texts here. We just ignore this group folder because it gives a gradient to our text, which is essential, so just ignore it. Just edit the main text. Just like this, I'm going to type my text in capital. You can type it in capital, you can type it in different languages, you can use different fonts. You're totally free as this template allows you. I'm going to minimize a little. Just pay attention that we have this text in italic, which you can have it normal and simple. So pay attention, we've placed these two on these numbers. You can place it on 100. You don't need to go with these numbers here. So we're going to edit the next text, just like this. Minimize a little. Here we go, it's excellent. Just enlarge a little and we're done. So we close and click save. One more time, we'll close and click save till our style is applied. As you see how beautiful and easy, it was super easy to do so. Our style is converted into this text as well. We didn't do any extra things, just edited the text. So beautiful, the details are excellent. This result which you see is the result of our designers working for about 14 hours non-stop to design this template, so we can just use it with one click. So I'm going to show you the rest of the layers. We have the sparkles folder here, which are these little shiny sparkles spread all over the text and scene. There to give this brilliant light reflection and shine to your style. You can minimize them easily, so mostly place them on the corners of the text so it looks so realistic and beautiful. Makes it much beautiful and gives a special shine to your text. So one by one, place them on the right place. You can delete any you don't want. So you can also get copies of them with Alt and drag all over your text. So easy, you can get copies of them just like this. So I won't continue, but don't forget, don't place them on your text because it's wrong. It doesn't look so good. It looks much better on the corners. Here we go. So I won't continue, but don't forget to place them in the right place. The next layer is lines, which are these two lines at the top and the bottom here, which you can remove them, or you can open the layer and edit the text of each one and type your ideal text, which I'm not going to do it right now. So we have the style folder, which is the main style of our layers. It contains many layers and it's very complicated, and I suggest you to ignore it. So the styles folder contains a stroke layer as well, which you can switch it off. It's the stroke around the text, so it's totally in your hands. You're free. So finally, the last folder is lights, which is this pretty light shining from down here. Just double click on every layer and select your ideal color, or you can just remove it. So if you want to have the text in transparent, you just need to switch the style folder on and the others off. As you see, we have it in transparent, which is an excellent ability, which allows you to drag and use in PNG and drag into all different projects, web projects, and enjoy. So let's see how we're going to convert the style into our logos. I'm sure it's going to be very interesting. We come back to this window, do the same till we're back to this window. I'm going to insert my logo. I decided to use Nike logo. So we drag here, just like this, place it here. Remove these two texts, we don't need them. Place it right in the center, just like this. Here we go. Close, close, and click save. Close this window as well and wait till it's applied. As you see, the result is beautiful. I'm sure you agree with me. It's so attractive. The details are excellent. The only thing you need to do is place the sparkles in the right place. I'm going to remove all the sparkles, just leave one remaining, and get copies of this sparkle. It's much faster, and like, you don't need to search for the sparkles one by one. Just get copies with Alt and drag all over, place them on the corners. It's so easy to do so. As you see, place it wherever you think looks better. So it's totally in your hands. You can place as many you want. As you see, it's so easy. So thanks for watching this video. The result is excellent. To download this style, just don't forget to go to hyperpix.net and get the VIP membership. You can access this style and hundreds of different styles, and you would be aware of our updates and our new templates for always. Depends on your account. You can use them in all different projects and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and support if you like the videos. Bye till next video from Mary.